Including a cover letter in your UK spouse or partner visa application necessary, or just an extra step? Although it is not an official requirement, the inclusion of a cover letter in a UK spouse or partner visa application is a widely debated topic across social media and immigration forums. Some applicants believe it strengthens their case, while others see it as unnecessary. In this video, we'll break down the role of a cover letter, whether you should include one, and what key details it should contain to support your application. A cover letter is a supporting document addressed to the UK Home Office caseworker, summarising your eligibility, highlighting key evidence, and clarifying any details that may not be fully captured in the application form. These letters are often prepared by immigration professionals, but if you're applying without legal representation, you or your sponsor can write one yourself. If you hire a legal expert, a cover letter is usually part of their service, but if you're applying independently, it's up to you to decide whether it adds value to your case. What is the purpose of a cover letter? While cover letters are commonly associated with job applications, in the context of a UK spouse or partner visa, they serve a similar function, providing a structured overview of your application for the Home Office caseworker. A well-written cover letter clearly states the purpose of your visa application and additional key aspects of your relationship with your spouse and dependents if applicable. What should be included in a spouse-partner visa cover letter? The main purpose of a cover letter is to outline the key immigration requirements and demonstrate that the applicant meets them. It can also act as a quick reference for the Home Office caseworker reviewing the application. To ensure your cover letter is effective, it is important to focus on essential details relevant to your case while avoiding unnecessary personal history that does not contribute to meeting the visa requirements. Briefly explain how you satisfy each requirement and reference supporting documents, without listing every single one, and ensure all dates and figures match your application form to avoid any unnecessary suspicion from the caseworker. A well-prepared application can make all the difference. If you want to be confident that you're covering everything correctly, our exclusive 5-day live UK spouse visa workshop provides clear, practical guidance. We cover everything from document preparation to understanding key factors that could impact your visa approval. Whether you're applying on your own or need extra clarity, this workshop offers the support to navigate the process smoothly. Register using the link in the description. We look forward to seeing you there. Who should write the cover letter? The applicant or the sponsor? Many people confuse a cover letter with a letter of support from the sponsor, but they serve different purposes. A cover letter is written by the applicant or their legal representative to summarize the visa application and clarify key points for the caseworker. A sponsor letter, on the other hand, is written by the British or settled spouse or partner to confirm the genuine and subsisting relationship and their willingness to sponsor the application. Unlike cover letters and sponsor letters, an invitation letter is typically used for visitor visas, not spouse or partner visas. If a UK sponsor or host is inviting someone for a short stay, they may provide an invitation letter explaining the purpose of the visit, the length of stay, and the financial or accommodation arrangements. However, for a spouse or partner visa, this type of letter is generally not required. To help you get started on your application journey, we've put together a free guide covering the essential documents and key requirements for a UK spouse visa. It's designed to simplify the process and ensure you don't miss any critical details. You can download it using the link in the description. If you found this information helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates on the UK spouse and partner visa application process and requirements. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more.